Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afra and today's video is a recipe for strawberry smoothie. I personally love strawberry smoothies and because they're healthy and they're delicious. So now let me show you how I made the strawberry smoothie. Let's begin. First, I'll put in 1.5 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. There, now I'm going to put in 2 strawberries. I have a small strawberry and a large strawberry, but if you have small strawberries, you might need 3, or if you have a large one, you can just put 1 or 2, your choice. Now I'm going to put in a teaspoon of sugar. This is optional if you want to be a bit healthy. Now I'm going to put in a scoop of ice cream. I'm using vanilla, but you can use any flavor you want. Now I put in a half a cup of milk. Now I'm going to take this to the blender, but my parents will help me blend it because for safety hazards. You can also ask any adult for help. I'll be right back after I blend my strawberry milkshake. Now I've blended my strawberry smoothie, and now I'm going to put in 2 ice cubes. This is optional, you don't have to put in ice cubes, but I want to. There, my strawberry smoothie is done. Now I'm going to pour this into my birthday cup. This was from last week, so yeah, to carefully pour this in. There we have my strawberry smoothie. Just going to add in a straw. There. I hope you enjoyed this really easy recipe of a strawberry smoothie. If you try this really easy recipe of the strawberry smoothie at home, make sure to tell me how it tastes on the Kids Impressions Facebook page. The link is on the screen. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!